Hi everybody, I'm Dorothy the Organizer, and I am your work from home organizing coach. I'm also the expert on the TV show Hoarders, and I hope you're doing okay. Really. Welcome back to day 4 of this video series of working from home. Yesterday we talked about organizing your motivation, and today we're going to talk about productivity. And by the way, if you like what you're seeing, please hit the subscribe button below and the alert button so that you know when another video does come in from me. I've heard from many of you that the productivity has been low today because of a lot of the news, breaking news that's been coming on all day long, and that kind of takes away from our brain power. It takes away from the productivity. So if you're having that experience because your brain is busy processing the coronavirus concerns, you want to try to, first of all, stay away from the news as much as you can. Maybe limit it to twice a day if at all possible. I know it's hard. And the second thing, get this, I am going to recommend that you do an organizing task. And one task that you could do to boost your productivity, believe it, this is true. Take a drawer like the junk drawer or maybe the nightstand drawer in your bedroom. Take the drawer out, dump it upside down onto the bed. That is, put down solid color towel or sheet first, then dump it upside down, sort like with like, and then keep what you're going to keep, put it back in that drawer, and run all the rest of the stuff into their proper locations. I would say that this kind of organizing task is something that breeds even more productivity. Why? Because you've just completed something, your brain says, yay, and I want to do something else. So try that and see if that inspires some productivity for you. In the meantime, it also gives you a good sense of control whenever you organize, so maybe that will help as well. Good luck. I want you to come back tomorrow if you want to see the last and final day of this work from home video series. I hope everything's been helpful for you. I send you a virtual air hug, and if it was helpful, please click that subscribe button below. Take care. Bye.